Oh yeah, I'm finna make a banger with this. Huh? What? Now here it go, I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone, see I been gone. Was trying to hit a lick, but that shit just went wrong. I got a thought, she right off the block. Her crib be the spot and we got Glocks. Tucked all in her shit, don't come in unless you knock. But this bitch Grammy, told her about this nigga. Helped me set him up and she was with it. She just wants some shoes and she ain't getting no fuck. So we do that, I was at his neck. Creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. How fucked up is that, but where that bitch? She ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone check cause Keembon he don't miss. Now 2 weeks past, I'm back on my grind. I can't waste no time, now I been quiet. They be whooping though, but them niggas not sliding. I been high, I can't even lie that I been on my mind. Why she ain't called? I ain't seen her ass, I hope that she alright. Now it's midnight, I'm hitting some blocks. Just me and my Glock came to a stop. I'm at a red light, I usually don't stop. My phone keep ringing, just a hoe of course. This bitch probably bored, I press ignore. I ain't got no time, a whore gon' be a whore. Now I get that feeling, something ain't right. I look to my right and I'm like, damn, there go that flexing nigga. He waving his pipe, he get the dump. Bullets get the coming, my heart get the dumping. I feel something, my left shoulder hot. Blood just get the gushing. I'm like, shit, ain't this about a bitch? And he with that bitch, I got a glimpse. She got them big lips that's made for sucking dick. Now it makes sense. That hoe set me up, that little dirty slut, the double cross. Trying to get me caught like I'm Randy Moss. Aw, shit, I just dropped my gun. Plus I got one arm, I'm trying to drive. I can't shoot back now. This man know my ass, I almost crashed. But I got the wheelie trying to kill for real, but that go 12. He bust a quick right and I just bust a left. Shit.
Fuck, gang, you good?
Damn, my show, you know this bitch be fucking with me, gang.
Damn, man, finish telling me about that shit that was cracking off last week with them niggas and shit.
Oh yeah, look, now this what happened. A week later, my arm in the sling. I've been sipping lean, pure codeine. I don't feel a thing, my hoe say I need a blunt. Stuff that bitch will run. Boy, I'm on a hunt, ain't no breakfast, but I'm a boxer nigga. Like some Captain Crunch, I got a tip. That dot bitch, be on 75th, right off Cottage with her best friend, getting her head did. I'm like cool, finna make my move. Post up what I do, this bitch a boo, but tryna play me out. Like that shit was cool, now it's like 2. Catch her walking out, her new hairstyle blue and she look cute, but that mean shit to me. I crept up, then I boom, and that was that. Now I'm running back, I stop in my tracks, that go that Porsche. How crazy is that? Boy, I'm on his ass. The first blast, it shatter his glass. Damn, this nigga fast, he hit the gas. I'm still shooting at him, but I'm too far back. Damn, I'm hyped, let me tuck this pipe. Get up out of sight, cause I see lights, and them bitches bright. Can't go to jail for life, so I take flight. Made it to the hood, everything went good. Knock on wood, flame me up with wood. Tuka smelling good, looked at my phone, got a text from her. He say, what's the word? I say, shit, I'm just coolin', bitch, I'm not from 63rd. Bitch, we not from 63rd. Stretch game, put in word. I'ma let this Mac pull out with this one, hold on. I say, I'ma let it. Alright, come on. Alright. Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby blue, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, cause she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp, the way I move my lip. I be speeding, could've been a driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major lick. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the wick, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. It been through a lot, but it's still shoot like new, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore. Now she walk up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck. Got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger. Light Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take precaution, mask on Michael Myers. I'm on his ass, he finna be mad. He gon' beat her ass, but this what happened. I got to the door, I thought I was capping. I was lacking, cause that go to up, yelling I was cracking. I'm like what? I'm like nigga who? I was born to shoot, I got aim. I'm like Johnny Dane when it come to change. So I ride, hit one in his arm, hit one in his thigh. this no lie. Bitches do or die, you say you gon' slide. You got some nerve, your shit on the curb. Boy, we put in work from 64th and from 65th, we not from 63rd.
I got a drop on a rapping nigga, I be from the rack. I'm like cool, better not front your movie, you become a pack. You see Vaughn, you see 40 Glossy Booker, you see Mac. Yeah, free Mac gon' for a double homie. Phone them got your back, but fuck that. Say you smoking who? Quickest way to die. Statue chain, off who neck not mine. Ain't no point in trying, they not out. Plus the police hot, ain't no point in slime. They be talking from the internet, they don't be outside. Hit the 6, call Dada out. Tell them about a lick. We need tape, we need roving phones. Don't forget the blicks. He like cool, how the nigga look? I pull up some flicks. He like damn, I think I know the nigga. He cool with his bitch, we heavy lie. But we went the structure, but we played a lot. Got a goofy walking in and out, telling me it's got he in the cat back. I'ma pay you how? Finesse, I'm 300, clips don't come like that. 3 jumps to his chest, boom, boom, boom. Bitch, we lurking 63rd. Bitch, we lurking 63rd. Stretch gang, put in work.
Young Chop on the beat.
Lost souls up. It's lost souls. And the new Iris and Rover. Hey, let's go. Hey, hey. Bang. These bitches lost souls up. Oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of bro boys. Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys. Bitches love Sosa, and they love them glow boys. Know we from the go boy, but we cannot go boy. No, I don't know old boy, I know he's a bro boy. Rarries and Rovers, convertible Lambos boy. You know I got bands boy, and it's in my pants boy. Disrespect them old boys, you won't speak again boy. Don't think that I'm playing boy. No, we don't use hands boy. No, we don't do friends boy. Collect bands on the landlord. I get lots of commas, I can fuck your mama. I ain't with the drama, you can meet my llama. Riding with 300 followers. These bitches see cheese Sosa, I swear I got they all now. These bitches love Sosa, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old boss, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheese Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of bro boys. Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boy. Don't make me call me Rose boy, he 6 double low boy. And he keep that pole boy, you gon' get fucked over. Bitch, I done so soda, and I done so coca. She gon' clap for Sosa, he gon' clap for Sosa. They do it for Sosa, them hoes that do it for Sosa. They don't want that Molly water, so nigga be cool like water. Before you get hit with this lava, bitch on that trending topic. Don't care no price, I copy. Being yo bitch steady jocking me. These bitches love Sosa, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old boss, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for Sosa, you boys ain't